Hello, back again. Got the diamond set, and then I have put the whole thing here into some pitch. And that is to support the piece for the compaction I need to do to tighten the bullet in. You can see there's still a little bit of a wiggle to it. So that what happens now is that the top of the bezel is going to get compacted vertically with this little tool here. This little tool, it's a polished hardened steel tool. You'll see it has a point here, a nice taper. And what happens is I lean this right in here like that at an angle, so that point is actually digging into the top of the bezel as I'm going down the punching. Let me just... What that does is it thickens the bezel and then hardens it and compresses it in, and it just tightens the stone up. It's really hard to get a high dome cab with very narrowly tapered sides set. So this is the only way to do it, is vertical compaction. And this is my favorite tool. So I'm going to do this. I need a better angle to do this properly. You need to back off a little bit. So if you look at that, you'll see there's a series of little marks that were made by the compaction tool, but you're also, the bullet is almost completely tight now. And that's just from doing two sides. Back. Barely wiggles now. Here's a wee bit of wiggle, but it's probably good. That did it. And now it just needs to be bright cut on the top to clean off all those marks. So I get my flat graver. Probably could do this with my power graver too. What's that? Thank you. See you later.